Hello, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be talking about accessing our internet page when looking for a vehicle. Russ Darrow makes things extremely easy for our customers to browse for vehicles from the comfort of your own homes. So, when you're on your computer here on Google, what you want to do is you're going to want to type in www.russdarrow.com or www.russdarrowgreenfield.com. For today's video, we're going to be looking at the Russ Darrow of Greenfield website. This is the home page for Russ Darrow. Various things pop up. You'll see the CX-5 lease specials pop up. A little box pops up, Alice here, that says, "Hi, I'm online and happy to help. How may I help you? If you have questions, you can click on that box and a person can talk to you and try to help navigate things for you. Otherwise, if you're not interested in talking with somebody and you just kind of want to look around, I usually just click that box right there. That disappears. Now, when you're looking for vehicles, it's really easy to look at individual vehicles by clicking on what that individual vehicle is. For today's video, we're going to look at new cars. So right here, up in this box, you want to click the arrow for new. All of our new vehicles pop up. You have the CX-5, the CX-50, CX-9, CX-30, Mazda 3 sedan, Mazda 3 hatchback. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be looking at CX-50. So we click on the CX-50, we wait a second. Now our inventory pops up. To make it easier for yourself, what I recommend is you go up here in the locations box, click locations, and for all the CX-50s that are in stock or incoming, we have Russ Darrow Mazda Greenfield, which is my location, and as you can see, there's 16 of them. Or you have the Russ Darrow Metro Mazda, which is located on the north side. They have 6 CX-50s. So we're going to click on the Russ Darrow Mazda Greenfield location. So it took away all of the Metro Mazda's cars and just left the Greenfield. Now we go down here, verify that CX-50s have been clicked. And if you want to just look at for all the trim levels, you're good right there. Now when you're looking at the screen, it's easy to think that we have all of these vehicles in stock right now. That is not the case. When looking at the screen, a good way to determine whether or not the car is here, if you look at the car at the right, this one, you'll notice there's a white screen. When there's a white screen, 98% of the time, that is just a stock picture, and that means that car is not in stock. If you look at the bottom, you'll see it says in transit. When it's in transit, that means the car is not here. But let's use this example. This car here, CX-50, and you see the Russ Darrow slogan in the back. This is a picture that was actually taken at our dealership. That means this car is here. But the computer says in transit. Why does it say that? That means the car just arrived. We just got the pictures online, and the website has not yet updated, so that's why it still says in transit. Very important to look at the pictures to determine if the car is still here. From there, you can go to the individual car. This one here is a 23 Mazda CX-50 2.5 Preferred Plus. It gives an explanation of what the vehicle is. If you click more pops up, and it just tells you all the different features in that particular vehicle. Down below, it shows you how many miles are in the car, which are 10 miles because it's brand new, the trim level, the stock number, which is very important to have. If you have a stock number when you come in, you'll make time a lot easier for you and your sales consultant. You'll have the VIN number, exterior color, interior color, and the drivetrain, which is all-wheel drive. It also shows you the MSRP of that particular vehicle. Now, a lot of people go online, they find the car they like, and then they want to know about financing. With financing, you have a couple different options. If you go up top here to pre-owned, click on that, some boxes pop up. In these boxes, you have two different ways to get financed. You can get pre-approved. That requires no social security number. That will be a pre-approval. Pre-approvals are decent, but pre-approvals will not tell you whether or not you're fully able to finance a vehicle. I recommend going to the fourth box down where it says finance application. You click that button there. You wait a few seconds, and now you're well on your way to starting your actual finance application. It's going to ask you, do you have a vehicle that you're interested in? You would click yes. It's going to ask you which vehicle, the year, the make, the model, the trim, and it's going to walk you through the application process up to and including the actual credit app. Because you're on the Russ Darrow Mazda of Greenfield site, that app is going to get sent to us. Do keep in mind, if you put an application in with a certain dealership, the other dealership cannot access that application. So if you do a credit app for the Russ Darrow Mazda Madison location, we can't find that credit app. You would have to do the credit app on our website as well. These are some very interesting features and whatnot. Once again, Russ Darrow makes it as simple as possible. Let's say you're interested in service or parts. You click on service and parts, and now all of these boxes pop up. You have service and parts financing, genuine Mazda parts, you have the tire department, shop for tires, oil changes. You can also schedule yourself an appointment right here. Instead of calling the store and talking to somebody, just click that box and you can actually schedule a service appointment. Once again, Mazda's all about making things as simple and easy for their customers as possible. So once again, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda of Greenfield. Come see me. I'll look for you in the lot. Have a great day, and I hope to see you. Take care.